Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared Leary here with Boot Up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create levels for the An Amazing Maze game project. So first thing we want to do is go to our backdrops in the tab, and we're going to start painting on this one. So I'm going to make it so that all my walls are the color black, and I want it to be solid colors. So I'm going to make the first level something like this, and here. Cool, nothing too difficult. Now that I have my first level, what I want to do is add in a color that is for the goal. So Scratch Cat's going to start down here. I'm going to have to get through this maze and get to a goal right here. So I'm going to make this a pretty easy color to spot and put it there. So once Scratch Cat touches his goal, it's going to teleport all the way back to the beginning. Now on our next level, we want to make sure that we start in the exact same spot. And the reason why is because if Scratch Cat starts there and there's a wall there, it can mess some things up. So I want to make sure that there's always room right here. You can make yours somewhere else, like this corner, another corner, middle of the screen, wherever you want. So let me draw my next level. Cool, looks good. Now I'm going to use the same color for my goal. It's very important that it's the same color, otherwise you're going to have to add in a lot more code. And now I'm going to make one more level that's even harder. So I go into here, and still going to start in the same spot. Okay, so I've made a more complicated level. I'm going to put my goal up here. And now I have to actually check to make sure that it's going to work. So for each one of the levels, once you finish creating it, you want to go into your sprite, that's going to be the person who navigates, and you want to set them to a small enough size that they're going to be able to fit through it. So I'm going to say 20%, and let's see if this works. So if Scratch Cat can fit through each of these parts without touching a wall, then it's going to work. If Scratch Cat gets through here and cannot get through it because Scratch Cat is too big, then we have to change the size or change the level, so that way it makes it a little bit easier. Now, one more thing that I'm going to do real quick. Now that I know that the hardest level works and that Scratch Cat will for sure fit in these other ones, I'm going to make it so that we actually change the name of these to make it easier to understand what it is. So I'm going to say this one is level 1. The name for this one is going to be level 2. And the name for this one is going to be level 3. Okay, so you're going to go in your backdrops, you're going to draw multiple levels, many different levels, and then you're going to make sure that they actually work with a smaller version of your character who's going to navigate through it. You want to make sure that the player can actually win. And then add in a name for each one of your levels so that way you can quickly know which level you are on.